Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Help. Today I'm gonna show you how to find conjugate of complex number. So let's see what is conjugate means. So conjugate means simply just changing of the imaginary part. The change of imaginary part. So complex number is in the form, suppose if we have complex number in the form of a plus bi, okay, complex number in the form of a plus bi, then its conjugate gonna be a minus bi, right? So what we see over here, we see plus imaginary part, right? Bi is imaginary part. The imaginary part changing its numerical value, right? I miss notation. What is this? Plus, see, plus change into negative, right? That's means conjugate number. So very simple. Conjugate is changing the imaginary part. So now let's have some examples I have taken, and I'm going to show you what is the conjugate of this, and same way you can find other problems related to conjugate of complex. So let's get started. So simple conjugate, like I said, conjugate, we have first example, we have 2 plus I square root 5. Now this conjugate is what? Conjugate, we skip the real part as it is. Conjugate means change in what? Imaginary part, right? Change in imaginary part means the addition, subtraction, like that. Change in addition, imaginary part. So we have what? Plus, we're gonna be get minus I square root 5, right? This is a conjugate. Very simple, right? So when we have plus in the imaginary part, we change into minus as is conjugate. So let's see the second problem. We have negative 2i, right? So for simplicity, we can also write what is our real part over here? 0, right? And our imaginary part is 2i. So now, like I said, conjugate is change the notation in imaginary part. So we have what? Minus 2i. So we're going to be write 0 plus 2i, or simply we're going to write 2i. That's its conjugate. Very simple, right? Yeah, it's not hard to find the conjugate of complex number. I have taken one more example. Over here you can see, I think you guys know now what is conjugate. So we have 3 minus 7i, right? So now its conjugate is what? Conjugate is equal to 3 plus 7i, right? Very simple. So if we see imaginary part has negative, we can change into positive for its conjugate. I hope this video is gonna help you to solve how to find the conjugate of complex, and please go and subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.